Welcome to another tutorial on nanoStream Cloud, your go-to platform for real-time video streaming. I'm Luiza, and today we are diving into multi-bitrate configuration and adaptive bitrate ABR, two essential features that ensure a smooth and high-quality viewing experience for your audience. Imagine your viewers are on different network connections, some on fast broadband, others on slower mobile data. Adaptive bitrate streaming makes sure everyone enjoys the best possible quality without interruptions. Sounds exciting? Let's explore how you can configure these features to elevate your streams.
Stream management configuration for ABR. To set up multibitrate streaming, start in your nanoStream Cloud dashboard. Create a new stream or select an existing one. Enable the transcoding option and choose the transcoding profile you'd like to use. For ease of use, you can utilize the default transcoding profiles provided in the nanoStream Cloud dashboard. Copy the stream key from the dashboard to use it on your streaming software like OBS. Not sure what OBS is? Explore our tutorials to learn more. Start your stream on OBS and the cloud handles the rest. The result? Viewers with fast connections enjoy the best quality, while those with slower networks get a smooth stream in a lower resolution. What is ABR and how does it work? Multibitrate streaming generates multiple versions of your stream at different quality levels. With nanoStream Cloud, these streams are created automatically and seamlessly integrated into the nanoPlayer, which intelligently switches between versions based on the viewer's network conditions. That's exactly what adaptive bitrate in the nanoPlayer is about. Let's start with the basics. Adaptive bitrate, ABR, dynamically adjusts your stream's quality based on the viewer's bandwidth and device capabilities. Configuring the nanoPlayer for ABR. Next, let's configure the nanoPlayer, which is optimized for seamless ABR playback. 1. Add the stream group ID to your nanoPlayer configuration. 2. In the player setup, enable the stream switching feature. 3. The player will automatically switch to the best available quality based on the viewer's network performance. For example, during a live casino game, a viewer on a fast Wi-Fi network can enjoy HD, while someone on mobile data follow the stream without any delays, but with possible lower quality. Why does this matter? A stable stream means satisfied viewers, no matter their internet connection. ABR minimizes buffering and ensures that critical moments, such as live events or iGaming sessions, are delivered without interruptions. That was an overview of Multibitrate and ABR. These features empower you to optimize streams for a global audience with diverse connection speeds. For more details, check out our documentation, where you'll find step-by-step guides and API integrations. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more insights into real-time streaming. With nanoStream Cloud, real-time video that simply works. See you next time.